Welcome back, eco-conscious adventurers. In today's video, we're embarking on an exciting journey as we explore the world sustainably. I'm your host from Vic Green Living, and if you're passionate about eco-friendly travel, hit that subscribe button and join our community of globe-trotting environmentalists. Let's dive into our 3 essential subtopics that will transform the way you travel and protect our beautiful planet. Step 1. Mindful planning and packing. The first step takes us to the starting line of any eco-friendly travel adventure: mindful planning and packing. Before you jet off to your dream destination, take a moment to research sustainable accommodations, transportation options, and local eco-initiatives. Pack light and smart, bringing reusable essentials like water bottles, shopping bags, and toiletry containers. By minimizing waste from the beginning, we can make a positive impact on our planet while enjoying our travels guilt-free. Step 2. Ethical experiences and responsible tourism. Now that we've arrived at our destination, let's focus on our second subtopic: ethical experiences and responsible tourism. Seek out eco-friendly activities, such as nature hikes, wildlife conservation programs, or community-based tourism initiatives. Respect local cultures, traditions, and wildlife, and choose tour operators and accommodations that prioritize sustainable practices. By supporting responsible tourism, we can help protect fragile ecosystems and empower local communities for a more sustainable future. Step 3. Minimizing environmental footprint. As our adventure continues, it's crucial to address our third subtopic: minimizing our environmental footprint. Embrace eco-friendly transportation options like biking, walking, or using public transportation whenever possible. Reduce single-use plastics by bringing your reusable utensils and straws. Opt for eco-friendly sunscreen and toiletries to protect marine life. And don't forget to leave no trace. Pick up your litter, recycle properly, and be mindful of your resource consumption. Together, we can preserve the beauty of our destinations for generations to come. Congratulations, eco-travelers! You're now equipped with essential tips to explore the world sustainably. Remember, every step we take towards responsible travel makes a difference. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our Vic Green Living community, where we share more eco-friendly tips, inspiration, and exciting travel destinations. Together, let's create a world where adventure and sustainability go hand in hand. Safe travels, and see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow eco-travel enthusiasts. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Vic Green Living, for more exciting content on sustainable living and travel. Until next time, happy and sustainable travels. Thanks for watching.